Yes.
We were on B part. X minus 2 by 4 plus x plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1. So we have to multiply with 3. And here we need to multiply with 4. So it would be 3x minus 6 by 12 plus 4x plus 4 by 12, which is equal to 1. So we can write it 3x minus 6 plus 4x plus 4 by 12, which will come over here and it will become plus 12. So it's 3x plus 4x, 7x. So it's minus 20, minus 12 is equal to 0. 7x minus 2, 3 is equal to 0. 7x is equal to 32. X is equal to?
Miss, ये -6 plus 4 है.
It's minus 6 plus 4 or 14?
हमने 4 से मल्टीप्लाई की थी ना वो
4,
वाली.
yes, so it should be 4. Yes, it should be 4. This is number 14. So it should be minus 6 plus 4. We should get
-2. फिर 2 उधर चला जाएगा, वो ऐड हो जाएगा 14, तो 7 है. 7 डिवाइड हो जाएगा 14 से.
okay. So we will get 7 is equal to
Is equals to 14.
7x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 2.
Yes.
So we can write it like this. 7x is equal to 40 and x is equal to 2. Okay. So about the next part. Two y square minus 3y minus 2. So it's going to be can you write minus 4y plus 1y minus 2, 2y, y minus 2, 1, y minus 2. So you will get y minus 2 and 2y plus 1. Okay, so we have question number 44. A route up a mountain is 20 kilometers. This we have done a lot of questions of this kind, so we should do it correctly this time. Okay, follow me up. Write down an expression in terms of x and number of hours it took to walk up the mountain. So the mountain is 20 kilometers long, and John followed his route at an average speed of x kilometers. So speed is equal to x, and distance is equal to 20 kilometers. So write down an expression in terms of x number of hours means time. So speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So what is the distance? 20 and speed x. So time is equal to 20 by x. Okay. He came down the mountain by a different route. The length of this route was 25 kilometers. Now the different route has a length of 25 kilometers. His average speed coming down the mountain was 2 kilometers per hour, greater than his average speed going up the mountain. Write down an expression in terms of x for the number of hours he took to walk down. So the number of hours he took previously was 20 by x. But now the distance is changed. The distance is 25 kilometers. And the speed is also changed because speed was first x, but now the speed is x plus 2. So the time will be 25 divided by x plus 2. So part C, it took John 1.5 hours less to come down than to go up. Write down in x that simplifies to this. So less, now C part. it took John 1.5 hours less to come down than to go up. So coming down was 20 by x. Going up was 25 by x plus 2, which should be equal to 1.5. Got it? Coming down was 20 by x, going up was 25 over x plus 2. So it took less, so we subtracted, and that is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. So now we just need to simplify this equation to make our expression correct. So we can multiply x plus 2, x plus 2, x, x. So what will get 20 x plus 2, x, x plus 2 minus 25x by x, x plus 2, 3 by 2. So we can get 20x plus 40 minus 25x divided by x, x plus 2, which is equal to 3 by 2. So 20 minus 25 is minus 5x divided by x, x plus 2 minus 5x plus 40, which is equal to 3 by 2. So we can write 2 multiplied by minus 5x plus 40, which is equal to 3 multiplied by x, x plus 2. So minus 10x plus 4 2s are 80, 3x, x plus 2 minus 10x plus 80, which is equal to 3x squared plus 6. So it's going to be equal to
मिस ये जो
3x
3
squared.
मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है x इंटू एक्स प्लस टू से, तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि 3x से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है x प्लस टू जो पूरा ब्रैकेट है उससे भी.
So first we multiply 3 with x, so it's become 3x. Then we multiply 3x with x plus 2, so it becomes 3x squared plus 3 2s are 6x.
Oh.
It should be 3x squared plus 6x. So here it should be x. And we need to simplify this expression to get which expression? There was expression given. Anyways, 0 is equal to 3x squared plus 16x minus 80. Okay, let's check now. 3x squared plus 16x minus 80 is equal to 0. So we got the equation. Okay, now solve the equation to write the answers in the decimal places. So now we are going to solve it. Part D. Okay, 3x squared plus 16x minus 80, which is equal to 0. So let's solve it. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 16, C is equal to minus 80. So what you're going to do is minus B plus minus B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. Okay. So what you're going to get minus 16 plus minus. Okay, 16 square plus 4 into 3 into 80. 1216 square root of 1216 is 8, square root 19 or 34.87 divided by 6. So you have to solve it once with the plus and once with the negative. So you will get the values of x is equal to 2.212 and x is equal to minus 2.712. Calculate correct to the nearest minute the total time John took to go up one and come down the mountain. So the time he took, total time was 20 by x by 25 over x plus 2. And we also get the value of x. So obviously for the time, we're going to choose a positive value. So the total time. 20 by x plus 25 over x plus 2. This was the total time, right? 20 by x plus 25 by x plus 2 was the total time.
Yes.
So we can take the value of x 2.2. So it would be 20 divided by 2.2 plus 25 divided by 2.2 plus 2. Have you checked it? What did you get?
22.45.
Just put the value of x here and what is the calculation that you get?
It's 22.2545.
22.45.
45.
So how many minutes it is?
22 hours and 45 minutes.
No. Calculate correct to the nearest minute the total time John took to go up and come down the mountain. So he took 20 by x minutes to go up and 25 by x plus 2 minutes to go down. So total time should be added. You do the calculation again. 20 divided by 2.2 plus 25 divided by 2.2 plus 2. You get 15.04. We're getting 15.04. Okay, anyways. Solve the equation 3t plus 1. 3t plus 1 is equal to 4 times 2 is 8. So 3t is equal to 8 minus 1, 7. T is equal to 7 by 2. Question number B part, 2x plus y is equal to 12. Solve the simultaneous equations. Okay. So 2x plus y is equal to 12. 3y minus, so can we substitute from the first equation y is equal to 12 minus 2x. So let's put the value of y in the second equation. 3, y is equal to 12 minus 2x which is equal to 56. 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3 minus 6x minus 2x is equal to 56. Minus 8x is equal to 56. Okay. So 50 minus 8x is equal to 56 minus 36.
So x is equals to 20 over 8. Minus 20 over 8.
X is equal to
20 over 8.
6 and 6 is 0, 5 and 3 is 20 over 8, which will be equal to
5 by 2.
5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Okay. So we got the value of x minus 5 by 2 and value of y will be y is equal to 12 minus 2 minus 5 by 2. 12 plus 2 into is cancelled, so it would be 5. So value of y is equal to 17.
7.
Okay. So the part C says simplify. We can take 3y square plus 8y plus 4. So we have to do the midterm taking. 4 times 3 is 12. And can you get 8?
6 2s are 12.
2 is 8. 6 and 2 is 8. 3y square what happened? Get the value of,
Yes.
we get the value of B part. We were doing it the C part. Okay, 3y square Have you done C part on your own?
No, I'm doing.
Are you doing all the questions with me?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so the last one is D part. Given that 3h plus 2x is equal to 2f minus gx, express x in terms of f and g. So it means you need to make x the subject of the formula. 3h Okay, question number 46. Check if the question is not repeated. A rod tanker holds 24 tons of oil. In cold weather, it can pump out 6 tons of oil per minute. Write down an expression in terms of x for the number of minutes it takes to empty the tanker in cold water. So it means you have 24 tons of oil, and in the cold weather, it can pump x tons of oil per minute. So it is the time
So
given.
24 over x.
So it would be, for the first one, it would be 24 by x. Okay, good. So in hot weather, it can pump out x plus 0.5 tons of oil per minute. Out here an expression for the number of minutes it take to empty the tanker in hot weather. So in hot weather, it would be 24
24 over x plus 0.5.
x plus 0.5. Good. Okay, so it take 2 minutes longer than the cold water to the hot water. And so now this would be 24 by x because it's taking longer, minus 24 by x plus 0.5, which it says is equal to 2 minutes longer. So it is equal to 2. So we just need to simplify this equation, and after simplification, we will get 2x square plus x minus 12, which is equal to 0. D part says solve x, so let's solve x. It's going to be 6 to 24, 12 to the 24. So no, you have to do it like this. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 12. So use quadratic formula and you will get 2.212, or x is equal to minus 2.712. Find the time taken in minutes in second, and so to finally find the time taken, this is basically the time taken. So we have to write 24 by 2.2 minus 24 by 2.2 plus 0.5, which should be equal to, do the calculations and you will get the answer. 24 divided by 2.2 minus. Find the time taken in minutes in second and correct to the nearest second to empty. The total time taken would be added. Plus 24 divided by 2.2 plus 0.5. So you can just find the total time taken and you can write it in minutes and seconds. Done. I think you will be able to do.
मिस
Yes,
जो
yes,
टाइम है
yes.
हम ये जो फ्रैक्शन में 2.2 लिखे हुए हैं ये डिनोमिनेटर ही टाइम नहीं डिनोट कर रहा
Which one?
last part okay miss sorry I misunderstood something
Okay,
it's fine I got it now
okay. Solve the simultaneous equation. 3x is equal to 7y, so we can write x is equal to 7y by 3. So we can just write it 12y is equal to 5. X can be written as 7y by 3 minus 1. So we can write 12y, which is equal to 7, 5 to 35y by 3 minus 1. So 12y minus 35 by 3y, which is equal to minus 1. So here it can be 3 multiplied by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 36 by 3y minus 35 by 3y is equal to minus 1, with 36 minus 35 is 1 by 3y is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 3. And now x is equal to 7 minus 3 by 3 minus 7. Given that x is equal to 6 is a solution of 6 square by 3 is equal to minus k. So 6 6 are 36 by 3 is equal to minus k is equal to minus k. So solve it, 2 to the 4. So it's we have just solved it, minus 4y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2y minus 2, 1 y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2, 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we are done with almost 48 questions. Forty-nine is 25x squared divided by 5x to the power minus 4. So 5 5 is 25, which is equal to 5x squared, and x to the power plus 4, which is equal to 5x to the power 6. And here it is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 by 2, and x is equal to minus 2. Okay, thank you, Maham. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. How are you? How are you? Can you hear me and see the screen?
I'm good yes I can
Okay. Okay. So let's start question number 50. Solve the equation 7a square plus 12a minus 11, which is equal to give you 0. Giving your answers in the two decimal form. So we know that we have to give the answers in the decimal form. It means that we're going to use quadratic equation, because the factorization whenever we have to give the answer in the decimal form, it means the equation cannot be solved with factorization and we need to use quadratic equation. So it's 7a square plus 12a minus 11 is equal to 0. So we will take a is equal to 7, b is equal to 12, c is equal to minus 11. So it's got minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is equal to this. So minus 12 plus minus 12 square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So you will get the two answers. One will be with the positive and one will be with the negative. So you will get 0.66 and minus 2.38. The part B says, and drove for 4 hours at an average speed of x kilometer per hour and then for 6 hours at an average speed of y kilometer per hour. So first of all, 4 hours means t is equal to 4. And at average speed of x hours means speed is equal to x hours. And for 6 hours, t is equal to 6. And average speed of y kilometer per hour means speed is equal to y kilometers per hour. So now what is it asking? If she drove a total distance of 816 kilometers, so the total distance she traveled is 816 kilometers. Now they're asking, write down an equation in terms of x and y that simplifies to this. So first of all, we have to write an equation and then we will see how it simplifies to this. So she travels 4 hours at an average speed of x. So she travels toward distance is equal to speed into time. So she travels 4 into x. This is the distance she traveled then. And she travels 6 hours with y speed. So 6y, and the total distance she travels is 816. So if we take 2 common, we will get 2 times 2 is 4x plus 2 times 3 is 6y is equal to 816. So let's divide by 2 on the other side, which is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 0, and 2 8s are 16. So you will get 408. 2x plus 3y is equal to 408, which is the required question. Okay, part 2. Can draw for 3 hours at an average speed of x kilometer per hour and then for 5 hours at an average speed of y kilometer per hour. He drove a total distance of 654 kilometer. Write down an equation in the terms of x and y to express this information. So again, this is of the same kind question. 3x plus
3x plus 5y is equals to
5y, which is
654.
equal to 654. Okay, solve these two equations to find out x and y. So we have the first equation was 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 4. This was the first equation that we calculated. Now we're going to use the two equations to find x and y. So we will multiply this with 3 and multiply this with 2. So what we're going to 6x plus 10y, which is equal to 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, 6 to the 12, 13. And 6x plus 9y, which is equal to 12. So now subtracting this, you will get y is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4, 10 minus 2 is 8, 0 and 0, 84. So y is equal to 84. Now by substituting in any one equation, for example, the first equation 3x plus 5 into 84 is equal to 654. So you will get the value of x 78. Okay, solve. So the part 1 says 9 minus k is less than 7. So 9 minus 7 is less than k. So 2 is less than k. Part 2 says 5 by 2t is equal to 1 by 12. So it's going to be 5 times 12, which is equal to 2t. 60 is equal to 2t. 30 is equal to t. Solve the simultaneous equation. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 29. And the second equation is 4x. So we can just write it like this, x plus, we can multiply first equation with 4. So we will get 4x plus 4y is equal to, what is 29 times 4?
160.
116. 116. Okay. So now you need to subtract them. You will get 2y, which is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1, 21. So y is equal to 21 by 2. And now you can get x plus 21 by 2 is equal to 29. X is equal to 29 minus 21 by 2. And x is equal to 18, 1 by 2. Question number 52. Okay. So it is given that y is equal to this, find y when x is equal to -3. So part A, y is equal to 3x square minus 12 by 5. So you have to substitute x is equal to -3. So you will get 3 minus 3 square minus 12 by 5. 3, 9 minus 12 by 5. 27 minus 12 by 5. So you will get 3. Y is equal to 3. Okay. Find the values of x when y is equal to 0. Okay, so now we need to solve the same question for x when y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3x square minus 12 by 5. 0 is equal to 3x square minus 12 by 5. So 0 times 5 is 0. So 0 is equal to 3x square minus 12. 12 is equal to 3x square. 4 is equal to x square. Square root on both sides, x is equal to plus minus 2. Part C, find the values of x in the range x is greater than equal to -3, less than equal to 2. Write down the largest value of y. So you need to write the largest value of y when x is between -3 and 2. So to find the largest value of y, you need to put x is equal to 2. This is the positive number and this can give you the largest value. So let's do it over here. Part C, part 1. Okay, so y is equal to, x is equal to 2, so it would be 3 into 2 square minus 12 by 5. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. So it's 12 minus 12 by 5, so it's giving 0. So it means that 2 is not giving the largest value of y. So let's put -3. Y is equal to 3 minus 3 square minus 12 by 5. So it's going to be 3 times 3 is 9, 9, 18, 27, 27 minus 12 by 5, which will give you 7 minus 2 is 5 and 1, which is give you 3. So yes, y is equal to 3 is the largest value of y. And what about the smallest value of y? We get 0 when we put 2.
So 0 is the smallest one.
Maybe we can get some negative number that will be smaller than 0.
-2.
Yes, between -3, we can put -2, we can take -1, 0, 1, 2. So maybe we can take -2. So if we take -2, what we will get? -2 square minus 12 by 5. -2 square is 4, 4 3 is 12, again 0. So if we put -1, -1 square is +1. So 3 minus 12 will be
-9/5.
-9/5. So yes, we get a negative answer. This would be the smallest answer. Okay. So express x in terms of y. So the next part is D part. It says express x in terms of y. So the question was y is equal to 3x square minus 12 divided by 5. Y is equal to y is equal to 3x square minus 12 divided by 5. So you have to make x the subject of the formula. So it's 5y plus 12 divided by 3 is equal to x square. Again, taking square root on both sides will give you the value of x as the subject of the formula. Okay. So part E says it is also given that y is equal to t minus 3 by 2 when x is equal to t. So show that t simplifies to this. So just simplify this equation. Now coming to E part over here. So the E part is y is equal to t minus 3 by 2. So you need to simplify. 2. Okay, y is equal to t minus 3 by 2. So what was the main equation? Show that t satisfies the equation is also given at y is equal to this when x is equal. Okay, we just need to put in our original equation the value of t. So original equation was y is equal to
3x minus 12 over 5.
minus 12 over 5. Okay. So 3x square minus 12 by 5. So we just need to put the values in the form of t. So it would be t minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 3t square minus 12 by 5. So 5t minus 15 is equal to 6t square minus 24, which will give you 0 is equal to 6t square minus 24 minus 5t plus 15. So 0 is equal to 6t square minus 5t minus 9. So in this way, we get our answer by putting the values of t. Okay, what is the next part? Solve the equation to get the correct answer. Okay, so now let's solve this equation over here. This is E part 2. Okay, so 6t square minus 5t minus 9. So they are saying itself that you have you will get the answers in the decimal. So it means A is equal to 6, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to minus 9. So you will get minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So after solving this, we will get two answers. One is 1.71 and the other would be minus 0.877, which are the values of t. Solve the equation. Part A says 24 by x minus 4 is equal to 1. So 24 is equal to x minus 4. 24 plus 4 is equal to x. 28 is equal to.
X is equal to 28.
So now part B. It would be 12 minus 2 into 5 minus y is equal to 5y. 12 minus 10 minus 10 minus plus 2y minus 5y, which is equal to 0. 12 minus 10 would be 2. 2y minus 5y minus 3y is equal to 0. So 2 is equal to 3y and y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, solve the equation. 2x minus y is equal to 16. And 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. So we can multiply 2 with the first equation. We will get 4x minus 2y is equal to 32. And second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. So adding both of them will give you 4 plus 5, 6, 7x is equal to 49, x is equal to 7. So now substituting 7, 2 into 7 minus y is equal to 16. I substituted the first equation. So 14 minus 16 is equal to y is equal to minus 2. Okay. It is given that x is equal to a plus square root of a square plus square root of b square. Calculate x when a is equal to 0.73 and b is equal to 1.84. Give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So part A. X is equal to a plus square root a square plus b square. X is equal to a plus square root a square plus b square. Okay. So you need to have a 0.73 plus square root of a square. A is 0.73 whole square plus b is 1.84 whole square. So just use the calculator and you will get your answer 2.71. Express b in terms of x and a. So it means you have to make b the subject of the formula. So part b is x is equal to a plus square root A square. You can see that making subject of the formula is one of the very important questions, and in the different forms we are checking how to make its subject of the formula. Taking square on the both sides because we need to separate b, sorry, x minus a whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square, x minus a whole square minus a square, which is equal to b square, but we need b, so it would be square root on both sides. So it would be plus minus square root of, can we open this, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus a square, which is equal to b. So it can be written as plus minus a square and a square are cancelled. So you will get x square minus 2ax, which is equal to b. So here we have made b the subject of the formula. Okay, part B. This was not part B, this was part 2 of the part A. Okay. A shopkeeper sells pens and pencils. Each pen costs $5 and each pencil costs $3. One day he sold X pens. On the same day, he sold 9 more pens than the pencils. Write down an expression in terms of X for his total items income from the sale of these pens and pencils. Okay. So the first day, each pen the cost of the pen is 5 and the cost of the pencil is 3. And he sold X pens. So the total pens he sold are
X.
X into 5 because one pen cost 5. And on the same day, he sold 9 more pens than pencils. One day he sold X pens. On the same day, he sold 9 more pens than pencils. So let each pen costs $5 and each pencil costs $3. So let's write it over here. Pen is for $5 and let's say pencil is for $3. Okay.
3.
One day he sold X pens. So first income will be 5x because he sold X pens. Then he has on the same day he sold 9 more than the pencils, but we don't know how many pencils he sold.
5x plus 9.
Again 5x plus 9. Why 5x plus 9? Because on the same day he sold 9 more pens than pencils. So he sold 9 more pens than pencils. But how many pencils he sell? Pens and pencils. Each pen costs $5 and each pencil costs $3. How many pencils he sell? We have to let pencils. Let he sell P pencils, for example. Okay. So on the same day, he sold 9 more pens than pencils. So the pens he sold are 9 more pens, means 9x plus the pencil, cost of the pencil. Yes. Got it? A shopkeeper sells pens and pencils. Each pen costs $5 and pencil costs $3. So one day he sold X pens. So X pens so easy is 5x. But on the same day he sold 9 more pens than pencils. So let he sold P pencils. So he sold 9 more pens than pencils. So it would be 9x plus P. And we have to calculate the total. So it would be, and what is the price of P? It would be 3. So we can write 3 over here now. Okay. 14. So it would be 14x plus 3. Write down in terms of x for his total income for the sale of pens and pencils. The total income was less than 300 from an inequality. Okay. So if the total income is less than 300, so it would be 14x plus 3, which is less than 300. Write down the number of pens he sold.
Why not 3p?
3p.
P को कट क्यों किया?
We put the amount of the pencils is 3.
And how many pencils were sold?
So there should be added variable for the number of pencils, right?
Mm.
Yes, there should be P for the number of pencils, and it would be less than 300. Okay, so write down the maximum number of pens that he sold. So because the total cost should remain less than 300, so it's 3P. P is the number of pens he sold, and one pen costs 3. X is the number of pencils he sold, and 1. So maximum number of pens he can sold would be what is the price of X? What is the price of pens? Pens are 5. So if
5.
if 14 into 5 would be
60.
60. So 60 minus 300 would be
240.
240. So it means the price of this should be less than 240. It means we can multiply 3 with 40, 3 4 is 12, 120, 50, 5 is 15, 150. 9. It can be 90. No, it would be 270, 80, 24, yes. So if the pens would be 80, then it will remain less than 300 in total. Okay.
Mm. Can you repeat once?
We have 14x plus 3p. So we are just thinking that how many pens should be there, maximum pens he can sold, because the amount total should remain less than 300. So we get a value over here. What was the value that you told me?
60.
60. So we check that what should be added with 60 so that the total remains less than 300.
Mm.
Because if P would be 80, it would be 240 plus 60, which is less than 300. So we have to make it less than 300. This question is a bit like it's solved, but there should be the amount of pencils given. Maybe there is something wrong. Anyways, number of pencils should be given. Okay, 2x minus 3y is 13, 3x plus y is equal to 3. So you need to calculate x and y. We will multiply 3 with this. 2x minus 3y is equal to 13. 9x plus 3y is equal to 9. X is equal to 2, and what will be the value of y? Value of y will be minus 3. Okay, right is a single fraction. So it's 3 by 2t minus 1. We can multiply t plus 2 and divide t plus 2. Minus 2 by t plus 2. So we can multiply 2t minus 1 and divide 2t minus 1. So what we will get 3t plus 3 to the 6 minus 4t minus minus plus 2 ones are 2 by t plus 2, 2t minus 1. So it's 3t minus 4t is minus t plus 8 divided by t plus 2, 2t minus 1. Okay, so question number 58. In the diagram, A, B, C, D is a rectangle. So what is a rectangle? A, B, C, D. AB is 12 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter. AB, BQ, CR, and DS is equal to X centimeters. So AB. So there is a distance from A to P, and this distance is X centimeter. There is distance from B to Q, C to R, and D to S. All of these distances are X centimeters. Find an expression in terms of X for length of QC. So what is QC? This is QC. So this distance is X and the total is 8. So it would be 8 minus X centimeter. Right? The area of triangle CRQ. CR. So this is CRQ. To find the area of the triangle CRQ, because this is a right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So QC is 8 minus X. This line is X, so we can find out this line QR. QR whole square is equal to, this is C square is
X
equal to
square
A
plus 8
square,
minus X square.
A square plus B square. So we will get 8 is 64 plus A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 2AB. It should be minus 16x plus X square. So you will get 2x square minus 16x plus 64. So you can take 2 common. Eight minus x whole square plus x square. Okay. We can leave it like this or take common x square minus 2 8 is 16x plus 2 3 is 16 and 2 2 is 4. So this will be the OR square. OR square is what? Sorry, QR. This will be QR square. So we need QR. This is QR square. QR square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So we need QR, right? So we will take square root on both sides. So it would be 2 into x square minus 8x plus 32 square root QR. Now we get the third side of the triangle, but we actually need to find the area of the triangle CRQ. Why are you finding the third side of the triangle? Okay, area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 length into breadth. So length is x and breadth is x plus 8. I don't know why I calculated this. So it should be 1 by 2 x square plus 8x. This is simple, the area of the triangle. We don't need to calculate the hypotenuse. Anyways, this is the area of the triangle. So we are done with second part. Hence, stored at the area in the square centimeters of the quadrilateral PQRS. P, where is P? PQRS is this. So now the B part says that the area of the square centimeter. Okay, so now we get the area of the triangle, this area of the triangle, this one. So this will be
Yes.
same as this one.
Yes.
And about, we will calculate the area of the triangle for this, and for this will be same as this. Then we will subtract them for the total rectangle. Okay. Okay. So now we have calculated the area of the triangle for QCR. We can write over here QCR. Okay. So now we are going to calculate the area of the triangle for QBP, this one. So I can write it over here, half x into 12 minus x, right? Because half length into breadth, and what will be breadth? Be 12 minus x, and length is x. So x into 12 minus x, so it would be 1 by 2, 12x minus x square. Okay, so we get the area of the triangle of this. So we can just multiply by 2. Okay. So 2 times 1 by 2, 12x minus x square. Why we are multiplying by 2? So we will get the area for this in this region. Adding 2 times 1 by 2 x square plus 8x. This will give us the area of the 4 small triangles. So 2 and 2 cancels. We will get 12x minus x square plus 2 and 2 cancelled, x square plus 8x. So we will get x square and x square cancelled. So we will get
12x plus 8x.
Which will give you
20x. 20.
20x. Just to make sure I did all the signs are correct, 12x minus x square. And here it is. Here they see I am putting the wrong sign and you're not telling me. It's 8 minus x. It's x minus 8 over here. 8 minus x over here. So it should be 1 by 2 8x minus x square. So how can we get the plus sign over here? 1 by 2 8x minus. If I will put the razor. It should be 8x minus x square over here. It should be 2 and 2 cancel, plus 8x minus x square should be 20x minus 2x square. So the 20x minus 2x square is the area of all 4 small triangles. And now what is the area of the big triangle? What should be the area of the big triangle? The big triangle was, one side it was 12,
12 into
one
8
side it
plus
was
6.
8. Yes. 12 multiplied by 8. The big triangle would be A, B, C, D. It is a rectangle A, B, C, D, and it should have area 12 into 8, which is equal to 96 centimeters square. So the triangle of PQ, area of the triangle PQRS would be 96 minus 20x minus 2x square. So you will get 96 minus 20x plus 2x square. So you will get 2x square minus 20x plus 96, which is whole of centimeter square. So we are done with this part. Let's see what is the next part now. Okay, so we get 2x square minus 20x plus 96. So we are done with till here. So now in the area of the quadrilateral PQR is 60 centimeters square, form an equation in X and show that it simplifies to this. So now they are showing that is saying that PQRX has area 60 and the equation for the area is this. So we have to make it equal to 60 and then solve it. So this one is easy. We are coming on C part. 2x square minus 20x plus 96 should be equal to 60 according to the part C. So it's 2x square minus 20x plus 96 minus 60, which is equal to 0. So it's 2x square minus 20x plus 6 minus 0 is 6, 36, which is equal to 0. So we will take 2 common. 10x plus 2 ones are 2, 2 8 is 16 is equal to 0. So we will get 18. So can you simplify? Or we just need to write the equation? Yes, we need to write the equation, so we get that equation. Okay, it is given that 2x square minus 20x plus 96 is equal to this. Find the value of k. Okay, so now if the equation is given, we just need to calculate the value of k. So it's 2x square minus 20x plus 96, which is equal to 2 into x minus 5 whole square plus k. So 2x square minus 20x plus 96 can be written as x square minus 10x plus 18, as we have done in the last part, which is equal to 2 whole x minus 5 whole square plus k. So we can take 2 common from here. Taking 2 common, we will get x square minus 10x plus 18. So we can write the equation 18 as 9 times 2 is 18. What is the factorization of 18? So we can get the midterm breaking.
9.
9. We need to get 10 over here. 2. It should be 2, 4s are 8. You are not at all attentive. 4s are 8, 9 to 8 is 16. It should be 48 over here. So now you have to factorize 48. Be attentive. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So you need to get 10.
मिस मुझे क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया.
From where?
हमने 10 किधर लाने?
10 किधर लाने मतलब? This is the question given. Be attentive that 2x square minus 20x plus